Concord is one of Contra Costa County's most dynamic cities, with a large medical workforce, schools, and family-oriented neighborhoods. For healthcare professionals, as well as for parents, teachers, and community members, knowing CPR is not just a certification requirement, it's a life-saving necessity. At Safety Training Seminars, Concord Treat Boulevard location, we provide American Heart Association certified BLS, ACLS, PALS, CPR, and first aid classes. Through a blended learning format, participants complete interactive online modules, then attend in-person training sessions where they practice CPR, AED usage, and emergency response skills under the guidance of certified instructors. With same-day certification cards valid for 2 years, flexible evening and weekend class schedules, and affordable pricing, our Treat Boulevard classroom is one of the best places in Concord to earn your CPR certification. Enroll today at safetytrainingseminars.com.